The internet is the land of alternative income opportunities. Unlike a position where you may have to be somewhere at a specific time, like pulling weekend retail shifts or babysitting for your next-door neighbor, many digital side gigs can be done from the comfort of your own home and often on a timeline that fits your schedule. Today, I'm going to show you 3 best ways to make money online as a broke beginner. Before the start of the video, make sure you leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to channel. Let's get started. 3. Freelance. Since I began freelancing just over a year ago, I had the opportunity to work with nearly a dozen high-growth startups and world-class experts. And I've never had to negotiate for the premium prices I charge for my content marketing services, which is why I'd like to share some tips with you on how to start freelancing and how to make money doing so, even if you're a complete beginner. Because I've done such an effective job of defining my value propositions, branding myself as an expert within my field, and getting my freelance writing content in front of new target audiences, I now have a 3 to 6 month waiting list for new freelance clients and freelance jobs. However, that certainly didn't happen overnight. My rapid success in the world of freelancing is the result of a lot of strategic positioning, hours of hard work, and good timing. If you're ready to get serious about freelancing and multiplying your self-employed income, here are some tips for earning more during your first year doing freelance jobs. Choose a niche. If your goal is to start freelancing, you might feel ready to take any paid work on Fiverr or Upwork you can get your hands on. But as you get deeper into your freelance career, you'll need to start being more strategic about the types of work you do and the clients you take on. You might be thinking, how can getting picky about the freelance work I do help me make more money? When you specialize in a skill set, you become an expert in a specific field, and experts can charge more for their specialized services. There are experts and pro categories on Upwork and Fiverr too. In my opinion, the age-old debate of whether you should be a specialist or a generalist opens in a new tab when starting your freelance career isn't even worth thinking twice about. If you were a prospective client and you needed someone to fix your email marketing so people actually sign up, write ads that convince people to buy, or just update your outdated website, would you rather hire someone who's a jack of all trades or a person who's a pro at doing one thing and doing it well? I'll choose the specialist every time. Get clear on your service offerings. One major decision you need to make early on in your freelance career is what you do and what you don't do. The more specific you can be about what services you offer, the better. Not only will it help you brand yourself, it'll allow you to control how prospective clients perceive you and give you the opportunity to continue building your portfolio in the direction you want to move in. If you want to focus on becoming a sought-after, highly paid Ruby on Rails developer, you shouldn't even consider contract offers for customizing WordPress themes or designing the user experience for an upcoming app. While the short-term benefits of steady work are tempting and sometimes necessary, taking on projects that aren't getting you closer to your ultimate goal of becoming the best in your field will only distract you from making meaningful progress. When it comes to my own experience, choosing to specialize as a content marketing consultant as opposed to being a general digital marketer for hire has been the single best decision I've made with my freelance business. 2. Dropshipping. Starting a dropshipping business is a great first step to entrepreneurship. You'll be able to sell products to customers, set your own product prices, and market your very own brand. You don't even need to pay for inventory until it's sold to an actual customer. If you're willing to put in the work, you can build a successful brand. And if you're still on the fence about starting your online business, maybe it will help to know that e-commerce sales amounted to nearly $3.5 trillion worldwide in 2019. So, if global stats on e-commerce are any indication, starting an online business is an increasingly lucrative option right now. Dropshipping is a business model which you can use to run your store without ever holding any inventory. Once you've made a sale, your supplier will ship your products from their warehouse straight to your customer's doorstep. You'll never need to worry about storing, packaging, or shipping your products. How does the dropshipping business model work? There are three key players in the dropshipping business model: the manufacturer, the retailer, you, and the customer. The manufacturer's role in a dropshipping business model includes creating products, carrying inventory, shipping products to customers on behalf of the retailer, replacing defective products, and restocking them. They sell products to the retailer at wholesale prices, assuming the risk of unsold inventory. In the dropshipping business model, the retailer, you, sell the manufacturer's products on your website under your own brand. You'll be responsible for choosing and marketing those products. Plus, you'll also be responsible for their shipping costs and setting prices that make you a profit. Lastly, in the dropshipping business model, the customer buys the products directly from you, the retailer. If questions or issues arise, they contact the retailer they bought the product from. How profitable is dropshipping? That's a dropshipping FAQ we hear quite often. Dropshipping can be the most profitable business model of all, as you are not responsible for the costs of shipping and manufacturing. Because of this, profits can quickly be reaped once you have found the right suppliers with Oberlo. You can calculate your profit to ensure you are on the right track to success with your dedicated profit margin tool. Is dropshipping worth it? Yes and no. Dropshipping is worth the time and money you invest into it. If you don't invest time into your online business, you will never reap the rewards. One of the reasons why people quit dropshipping is the lack of consistency and perseverance. Dropshipping takes time as you need to set up a store, import products, decide your pricing strategy, and start selling. Nothing can happen if you don't put in effort. Where to find a dropshipping business for sale? If you don't want to build a Shopify dropshipping business from scratch, you can easily find a dropshipping business for sale on Exchange. Exchange is a marketplace of Shopify stores for both people looking to invest in a fully functioning business or those that want to skip the building phase and start directly with marketing. They have a great collection of online stores, including dropshipping e-commerce businesses of varying price ranges and niches that you can choose from depending on your budget and interests. So if you're looking for a dropshipping business for sale, Exchange has got you covered. When choosing to buy a store, take into account the cost, the design, the age of the website, how much money it has made, popularity of the niche, penalizations, and the type of business. The cost. Do you currently have a budget to not only pay for a pre-made store, but also invest funds into growing it? If so, you need to work out what your budget looks like. What price are you willing to pay for a business? Is there room to negotiate a better deal? The design. Does the store look like it was designed by a professional or by a new entrepreneur who's looking to make a quick sale? If the store design looks professional, clean, and easy to navigate, it may be worth purchasing. 3. Social media. You don't have to be one of Instagram's storied influencers with followers in the millions to make some cash on the platform. Building an audience that large can take years. Even if you have a follower count in the thousands, you could work with companies as a micro-influencer creating sponsored posts and stories. The number one way people make money on IG. Seek out brands that align with your account's content or partner with an agency that connects and/or manages your work. Other social networks may offer you several ways to monetize your digital interactions. The downside is that you have to have an engaged audience, and that can require a significant time investment before you see any earnings. Once you have built a fan base, you can place ads on your videos, let viewers subscribe to your page, netting you a monthly recurring payment, and potentially get paid for going live and hosting online events. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos and I'll see you in the next video.